USB converter box firmware upgrade tutorial. If there is a compressed file, unzip it first. Then check the properties of the UDisk. Requires FAT32 format. Below 32 GB. At this time, you can copy the upgrade file to the UDisk. You can upgrade now. If you can identify the box, check the current version. If you can't recognize the box, just upgrade it direct. Using the firmware upgrade cable. Can use the original USB power supply, or use the charger to supply power. The indicator light will flash rapidly during the upgrade process. If the UDisk has an indicator light, it will flash quickly. The upgrade process is fast-forward. The entire upgrade time is about a minute. If it is not enough for a minute, it is wrong. The indicator light will stop flashing after the upgrade is complete. The upgrade is successful. Thanks.